In this video, I'm going to give a short overview of Microsoft Foundry Local and how to install and use it to try local AI model right inside your computer. First of all, what is local AI? Local AI simply means that instead of sending your chat questions and personal files across the internet to be processed by a cloud AI model, local AI is the exact reverse of that. Local AI will process your chat requests and personal files right inside your own PC. In other words, it doesn't even need an internet connection. Everything is completely offline. Microsoft Foundry Local has a CLI tool that enables you to download and try local AI model on your PC. So it's very similar to 𝗏𝗏, except that Foundry Local has a built-in mechanism that automatically scans your computer's hardware settings, and then it will simply recommend the best AI models that are optimized to run based on your PC's hardware settings. So, for example, if your PC only has CPU, then Foundry Local will only recommend AI models that are optimized to run on CPU-only PC in terms of size and RAM requirements of your computer. What are the benefits of using local AI such as Microsoft Foundry Local? First of all is data privacy. So this is ideal for industries like banks or hospitals where you are dealing with sensitive information because the data never leaves your PC. It's 100% private. Also, once you download the AI model into your PC, it is free to use forever. This is perfect for small businesses that don't have enough budget yet to, subscribe to cloud AI models like ChatGPT Enterprise or Claude Code. And since they local AI models works completely offline, you don't have to worry if you have a slow internet connection or if you suddenly lose your internet connection. So let's proceed with the installation. In order to install Foundry Local, you need to make sure that you first run your command prompt as an administrator, and then simply type this command: winget install microsoft.foundrylocal. So after typing that command, it will now start installing Foundry Local on your PC. And in order to confirm that it was indeed installed, just type Foundry version. So if it returns a version, then it means that it was successfully installed. The next thing that we need to do is to download a model. So the next thing that you need to do is to go to the Foundry Local official model catalog page. And then since I'm using a Qualcomm Snapdragon X Plus processor, so I'm going to select NPU under execution device, and then Qualcomm QNN, and then it will simply filter the model catalog, which will show me AI models that are optimized for my PC. And I'm going to select this one, the Qwen 2.5 1.5B instruct. You simply just click, depending on your computer. If you're using an Intel GPU, then you click this. If you're using Intel NPU, you click this. But in my case, I'm using a Qualcomm NPU, so I click this one, and it will simply copy this command on your clipboard, and then you simply go back to your command prompt. So this command will simply try to download the model on your local machine if it is not yet installed, and after it has been downloaded, it will automatically run or load that model to your local Foundry cache. So now you can see here, it says model Qwen 2.5 1.5B instruct has been loaded successfully, and it automatically also starts our Foundry Local service at this endpoint. So we're now in the interactive chat mode. Let's try typing. Hi. And let's try asking, what is the fifth planet from the sun? I am impressed that the response is pretty fast, probably because I downloaded an NPU optimized model, and I can see that I can see some spikes on my NPU test manager. Let's ask another question. How many letters are there in the word strawberry? Amazing. If you want to exit the local Foundry chat, just type exit/exit. I'm impressed. Overall, I'm impressed. It's actually a lot faster than using Ollama to run a local AI model. So that's all for this video. See you in my next tutorial. Bye!